Welcome to the G1 Deposition Accessory tutorial. This is Urian. He is going to show you how to make a sample with the diffusion accessory. Mount deposition accessory to G1 outlet. Connect gas outlet. Connect bypass. Caution: perform leak test before use. Load sample on sample holder. Insert sample holder in diffusion chamber. Fasten clamp. Turn on G1 and start gas flow. Start sparking. Caution: use a warm-up time of 5 minutes via the bypass. Start deposition. Tune coverage by altering deposition time and gas flow rate. Stop sparking. Caution: flush the system by flowing clean gas for 3 minutes. Unload sample from deposition chamber.